Hi, I'm Claire. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a new way of doing business on our platform, selling in limited releases. Whether you're releasing a limited collection of products, opening a small number of appointments, or offering tickets for an upcoming event, selling in limited releases can help create excitement and encourage customers to purchase quickly. Squarespace offers several tools designed to support high-demand releases and drops, making it easier to manage inventory, create urgency, and deliver a smooth purchasing experience for your customers. When preparing for a release, start by creating the products or services you want to offer. As you're setting up your products, you can use quantity limits to control how many items a customer can purchase in a single order. This helps ensure inventory is distributed fairly and prevents a small number of shoppers from purchasing all available inventory at once. Once your products are ready, you can schedule them to go live automatically at a specific date and time. Scheduling products in advance means you can prepare your release ahead of time without needing to manually publish listings when your launch begins. If you're expecting higher demand, Squarespace also offers reserved cart and countdown timer. When enabled, shoppers can temporarily reserve items in their cart while they continue browsing or complete checkout. A countdown timer lets customers know exactly how much time remains before inventory is released back to other shoppers. You can also enable the mini cart experience, allowing shoppers to review and complete their order without losing momentum as they browse. You can also enable limited availability labels to highlight products that are running low on inventory. These labels help communicate scarcity and can encourage customers to purchase before items sell out. Use email campaigns to notify your audience about your upcoming release and send reminders as launch day approaches. You can also use promotional banners or announcement bars on your website to make sure visitors know exactly when your release will go live. And sharing your release on social media can help extend your reach and build anticipation leading up to launch day. As your release approaches, it's important to make sure your store experience is ready for high traffic at checkout. In your checkout settings, you can enable express checkout options like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Link. When your release goes live, inventory updates automatically as customers make purchases. Shoppers will see quantity limits, limited availability messaging, and reserved cart timers throughout their shopping experience, helping create transparency during high-traffic releases. With mini cart and express checkout, customers can move quickly from discovery to purchase, creating a smoother experience during launch. And when the day of your release finally arrives, everything you've set up starts to come together. Selling in limited releases is about more than inventory and timing. It's about sharing your work with your audience in a way that feels intentional, exciting, and worth showing up for. We hope this helps you approach your next drop with a little more clarity, a little more control, and a lot more confidence. And remember, you've got this.